Hello everyone once again. So in this topic, I will tell you like how to start with the first Java programming. So we will see how to write the first Hello World program. So in this video, I will cover so how to create a project in Eclipse, the folder structure basically of the Java project. Okay, how to create a package, then how to create a class, how to declare a main method, and then printing a basic message to a console. Okay, so let's start. But before that, in the last session, we have already covered the environment setup part, right? So we have already downloaded the JDK part, that is Java. We have also set up the environment variable, and we have also downloaded the Eclipse IDE. If you have the IntelliJ IDE, that is also fine. But for my sessions, I'm using the Eclipse IDE. Let me open that. I'll double click on Eclipse. So it will ask me for the path where we need to save the workspace, where we need to save the basically the code what we write on the Eclipse or our IDE. So I have given this particular path. I have to just click on the launch. Now it is getting loaded. For the first time, Eclipse will show the welcome screen. I'm opening for second or third time, so now it is not showing. But whenever you will open for the first time, it will surely ask for the welcome screen. Just close it, and after that, it will landed on this particular page. So in Eclipse, we have three major parts. This is the left part is nothing but where we create a project, Java project on Maven project. So first we will see the Java project in this session, and then in upcoming session we will see the Maven project. So on this section, we will see the Java project structure folder. So this is the first section you can see. This is second section, and this is third section. The second section, we actually write the code, the statement, in the Java over here in the second section, and in the third section is known as the console, where we get the actual output of the program. So these are the three major parts of the Eclipse. Now let's first create a project in Java. So I have to click this file, then new, and then click on the Java project, file, new, and Java project. Now it will ask for the detail to be which we need to be entered. Like first we need to enter the project name, so give the meaningful name. So like this is a Java session, so I will just give the name, project name as Java sessions. uh, you can see over here the Java AC 1.8. Okay, so in the my machine we have already installed Java 1.8, and the environment variables also I have set up for that, so it is showing me AC 1.8. Okay, then don't change anything, just click on the next. Yeah, and then click on the finish. Here you can see one project got created, that is Java session. You will see the one arrow over here, just click on it, kind of drop down, you just click on it, so you can see two major part of this project got created. That is, first is Java, that is JRE, sorry, not Java, it is JRE system library, that is Java runtime environment, and the second one we have a SRC. So we have already covered what is JRE. JRE nothing but the contains a library which helps to execute the program. Okay, uh, and then SRC folder what we have is like which is also by default created with the JRE in this project. So here in SRC we need to write our Java code. So that's why it is known as a source folder, you can say, or SRC. So how to start now ahead? Once we get this to by a default project structure of Java, remember this is a Java project, so in upcoming session we will also see how to create a Maven project, but right now we are seeing the Java project. So now how to write the code in this Java project? Okay, so just click on the right click on the SRC. We need to first create package in SRC, inside the SRC. Again, give the meaningful name of the packages. uh, let's say I'm giving the package name as Java code. Okay, just click on finish. you can see over one folder got created with the name of Java code. So this is a nothing but a package we have created. Then inside that we have to create a class. So just again click on, right click on that Java code package, just click on new and then click on the class. Okay, again it will ask to input certain details, but before that, if you observe, we have the source folder inside the Java project, Java session and src, so it is showing here over here. And then we have the package name, we have just given the Java code, and inside that we are creating or we have to create a class name. Remember, the thumb rule to give the class name is, the class name always should always start with the capital letter. Okay, so again give the meaningful name. Maybe I can give my first Java program. Okay, don't start your class name with small letters or like with numeric. Then it will give an error if you start with numeric. Type name is not valid, the type name, this is not a valid identifier. Okay, so always give start with the capital letter. Okay, if you give in small letter also, that is also fine, it is not giving any error, but it is not a good practice to start with small letter for the class name. So always give the capital letter. Okay, so if you observe, I have the four words, I have combined the four words in the class name. This is my first Java and program. So always give the the capital letter for the second word, then the third word, and so on. So it will be, it is a capitalized string we should be using to give the proper name of the class. Okay, clear? Then we have to click on this public static void main. So this is nothing but when we click here, we will get a main method created in this particular class. So I'm clicking this, and we will be needed that. So I'm clicking on that, and we will click on the finish button. Now after click on this finish, we get this particular code. If you observe, we have already given the package, okay, Java code. So this will be key, like package, if you can see in the different color. Okay, it is always start with a small letter. Yes, all the keys in the Java always start with the small letters. If you see public class, public static void main. Okay, and after giving this package name, we have given the class name as my first Java program. So it has also showing over here. If you see the class, this is curly braces. So this indicates that this class is starting from here. If you double click here, see, it will tell like how much is the the class. So here is this class is starting, and here it is the ending basically. Okay. Then we have we remember we click on this main function. So here it is giving the main function, correct? And it is starting from here and it is ending from ending here. Okay, and this is basically a comment, by default comment get generated. Okay, in this main function. So you maybe we can remove it. So yes, as like we say comment. So how to give a comments in Java? Just write first double quote, and we can write as plain English. This is my first program in Java. Now, the most important thing is main. Okay, why we have this function in the class? So if I tell you the structure, we should have the first package, then class, and then functions inside the class. So the thumb rule, before explaining the main function, the thumb rule of the Java program, always remember that whenever you have write the Java code, we should create a class, and inside that class only we should be writing the code. Okay, now, so why we have this main function or main method in our class? Because you can say this is the second thumb rule of the Java. The Java program always executes from the main function. Okay, so we have the JVM, right? We have already seen what a JVM is, Java Virtual Machine. It always checks in class if we have the main function. When it checks for the main function, then it goes in the main functions and start executing the code written over here. Okay, so that is the main thumb rule. But now if you can see, we have the main method, like we have written in public static void main. So in the upcoming session we will see in detail what is public, what is static, what is void, what is this package in detail. But right now we will simply print, or we will simply execute one statement or in our Java program. Okay, so how to print a statement in Java? So we have system class. Inside that we have out. So this is the statement in Java. So this is a statement in Java is used to print an argument that we passed inside it. So here we write the hello world. So always remember, in System.out.println, whatever we pass in double quote, it will show, or it will print in the console. So it will print, or it will print in the output. So we will see the different flavors on the System.out.println. I mean, inside the when we pass the different argument inside the System.out.println. So we will see in the upcoming sessions, but right now we are just printing the hello words. So now we have written our first Java program, that is hello world. So again, in short, we have first Java, we have first package name, then we have our class name, that is my first program. Inside that we have a main function. Yeah, and this is simply we have written one comment. Inside main we are printing hello world. Okay, so now the next step is how to execute this program. Here you can see on the top, you can see this green button, and where you can see, if I mouse over there, then it is showing run my first Java program. So when we click there, you can see okay, pop up. Just click on checkbox and click on OK. You can see hello world is printed. Okay, so in this way we can write a program in Eclipse and we can print it. So we are printing with the help of println statement in Java. Okay, so that's it for this particular session. We have covered like how to create a Java project, how to write a small code to print a hello world, and then we have printed that, or we have executed that. Okay, so in upcoming session we will see the programs in, or the Java code in details. But for this session, thank you so much.